Welcome back to Mady English Practice. I'm Mady.
And I'm Jules. Today we are looking at two words that mean the exact same thing, but they have completely different grammar rules.
Same meaning, different rules. That always causes trouble. What are the words today?
The words are near and nearby.
Oh, near and nearby. Yes, they both describe a short physical distance. They mean something is not far away.
Exactly. But English learners mix them up all the time because they put them in the wrong place in the sentence. Let's start with near.
Near is a word that needs a target. In grammar, we call it a preposition, which means it needs an object to hold its hand. You cannot just be near, you have to be near something.
Right. Let's look at a real scenario. Imagine you are traveling in a new city and you want to find a hotel. You want it to be a short distance from the airport.
So you asked the taxi driver, do you know a good hotel near the airport?
Perfect. You used near and then you gave it a target, the airport. You always need that object. You live near the park, near my house, or near the train station.
But now let's look at the second word, nearby. This word is an independent loner. It does not want to hold hands with an object. It stands completely by itself, usually at the very end of a sentence.
An independent loner. I love that. Let's use the exact same hotel scenario, but this time you are already standing inside the airport, so you don't need to name the location again.
So you walk up to the information desk and ask, are there any good hotels nearby?
Exactly. You stop talking right after the word. You don't add a target because the person already knows where you are.
And this is where the big grammar mistake happens. English learners will often try to combine them. You'll hear people say, my house is nearby the supermarket.
Yes, we hear that all the time, but it is grammatically incorrect. You cannot say nearby the supermarket.
You have to choose. You either give it a target and say, my house is near the supermarket, or you let it stand alone and say, the supermarket is nearby.
Another great way to use nearby is as a descriptive word right in front of a noun, like we went to a nearby restaurant.
That sounds so fluent and natural. It means a restaurant that is close to us.
Your homework for today, think about your own neighborhood. What is one interesting place close to your house? Practice making two sentences out loud, one using near and one using nearby.
Once you remember that near needs a target and nearby stands alone, you'll never make this mistake again.
Thanks for joining us today. Keep practicing, keep listening, and keep growing.
Keep your English goals nearby. See you next time on Mady English Practice.